I'm staying up. I'm wildin' out. I'm leaning in. I'm leaning in. Pushing off my sneakers to the ground. I do not jump, I move the earth down. Bear witness to the genius of my sound. Born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies on my chain. You can see your name bubbling, blood vein. Your girl's in my head because she's sipping on my champagne. That's right, 6 figures in my back pocket. And that's right, 1 million in my safe deposit. That's right, I'm trill all day. I'm a way to a million, staying real all day, man.
Oh, they probably boosted for it, so then you were part of it.
What I said was that I played a clan match against 4 players that were like 6 and 8 prestige. So I don't think there is a way to boost because their stats were legitimate.
So why do you talk about the robot first of all? Second of all, no, that's impossible. So basically, they were boosting and you were helping them get ranked up faster.
I was helping them getting ranked up quicker by beating them in a clan match.
Oh, so you were trying to boost them to get ranked faster.
I was repeating what the question was, you fucking idiot.
You joined the match, you helped get people, what he said, to prestige 6 and 7 by letting them kill you.
I never, those words never escaped my mouth.
Oh, I know, they didn't escape it, you just let them free.
Are you mentally challenged?
Can't do it.
Then why are you talking about it? You are fucking weird!
No, because there's people like you that need help in this game instead of boosting.
No, there's not. There's nobody that wants help in boosting a game.
That makes a lot of sense.
What is your logic behind this, you fucking moron?
No, that makes a lot of sense. Hey, just
No, it makes absolutely no sense.
Hey, listen, so take a breath. Now listen, so basically
It's easier to get your rank up by joining a fucking match all by yourself because you're better, instead of playing with equally good teammates.
that's what I'm trying to say. So why are you gonna go boost your little clan?
Because we weren't boosting, you fucking moron! That's my fucking point to you!
So then that makes sense. So then you should join this guy's boosting lobby.
I'm not joining anybody's boosting lobby because I'm not fucking gay!
No, but you said you needed it, cause like instead of joining like doing a clan, you said it takes long.
I don't care about my fucking rank in this game!
Yes, you do. That's why you were doing a clan versus clan rank up match. Hey, listen, hey, everybody in the lobby, let's show friends. My friend,
everybody knows listen to this fucking dickhead. He's trying to get people to boost for no fucking reason because he's a goddamn moron. Don't fucking listen to one goddamn word this cocksucker has to say and keep joining his lobby when he tries to advertise for everybody. That way we can fuck up his game plan and try to get people to join this fucking lobby. Nobody join this lobby if you...
Okay, hey, so listen, message all friends, recent players in the lobby. My friend, it's freaking time. Like, he's been trying to boost, like, just 4v4 simply, but if you guys can help him out,
oh,
like,
yeah,
maybe, maybe like do like 8v8 boosting.
No one.
Just please help this guy out. Like, I mean, I would, but I'm not a booster. But if someone wants to boost, he'll help you boost. Look, he's a rank 41. His clan is like a rank prestige 26 or something. He was saying. So if you guys can,
yeah,
help him out.
26. You can 26. We're 26. Highest clan.
What? Hey, what is that? You have like a bird or something?
Team deathmatch.
Oh, it's called I got a text message that I have friends.
Oh, that's very creative. How do I get that?
It's standard.
Oh, standard? Like, oh, so not like high definition or something?
My friends don't give a fuck about KDR. They don't give a fuck about their
KDR?
symbols.
Hey, what gun is that?
We play
Hey,
for fun.
Hey, what gun is KDR? I haven't got that gun yet unlocked. Hey, message all friends and recent players on the enemy team. My friend is
Hey,
freaking
keep listening to this guy. He's great. Listen, here's his spiel. He's gonna tell you it's awesome.
My friend, it's freaking time, who's basically under me. I'm 22 and 5, and then this little guy's 20 and 8. But anyway, if you guys want, he's hosting. He's not hosting. He's trying to join a boosting lobby to help rank his clan up.